Hello everybody, we're here with Cottie. I seen this pop up on the Feebay, and I've been looking for one for a while, and the price was super right. So I just clicked buy it now. Didn't even have to make an offer. This is the way it arrived. So I've been looking for one of these for a while for the programming farm. Oop, Cottie's getting kind of scared, but interesting packing. I think this company's out of business now. Looks like because their website's kind of like dead. They don't show any products anymore. But this is supposed to be brand new in the box, so it came out of Arizona. Yeah, Tucson. So this is supposed to be an EEtools Topmax 2. Let's open her up here. Looks like an EEtools Topmax 2. Hey. These are hard to find right now. Nobody likes to get rid of them, but it's supposed to be able to do older tri-voltage chips. So you get the machine. What's the machine? This one, it looks like it's got a serial number 2334. Might be a 2023 model. I don't know. I don't know the serial number decoding on that one. I know the Zeltec and BPMs. They're plastered all over. But you also get a power cord, USB cable. Everybody's got plenty of those. And you get a user manual. This is very rare in programmers nowadays. Ooh, and you get a CD-ROM, which I already have it loaded on the computer. And I will light it up in another video. But no fingerprints, so it's in the user manual here. That's just the basics. But yeah, these come in handy when you're doing old chips and devices. They'll usually list different things in there, like conversions of pals and gals and stuff, and how to properly do it. They come in real handy. I mean, this stuff's all online in PDF format now, but Cottie's being a patient little girl. Now we can give her some cookies. Here, she can have some cookies here. And I will light the computer up and get this checked out on another video here. I have to set up OBS, and I just wanted to get this unpacked and inspected. Make sure. I'll take this apart too. I've always wanted to see what inside of one of these is like. Nobody's taken one apart, so it'll be on my blog. I will link it in the description, and also the test video when I post it. So I've got a couple tri-voltage chips I can try to read, but we will do that in another video. So there's Cottie. Cottie's healed. Yeah, she's got scars, so yeah, she don't like that today. Oh, No? Okay. Okay. Oh, she'll give me kissies. She's been acting weird lately. It's cold out, and there was something in the trap the other day, so we'll give her more cookies. Everybody likes Cottie. Everybody hangs around for Cottie Kitty. She makes a mess of everything, though. But that's the unboxing of a Topmax 2. Brand new in the box, old stock. We'll catch y'all later.